Well, usually you can tell, because the gondola is cold.
Nice warm.
Down here, yeah.
Check out, here we go.
Yeah.
We're going up the hill.
Everybody's first time? No?
For me.
Yeah?
First
Yeah.
time. For them.
For them? Yeah, okay. Well, welcome. These are the Franklin Mountains, and we're going to be traveling at 9 miles per hour, and it's going to take 4 minutes to get to the top. Now, once at the top, we'll be at Ranger Peak, and we'll be at 5,632 feet. Once at the top, there's a gift shop, and there's 2 platforms, and the second platform gives you a 360 view of El Paso. Pretty good.
Lots of rocks, right?
Now, as soon as we get a little bit higher, I'll show you guys the elephant. Looks like an elephant. A mammoth or an elephant. Like it's going up the peak. See the highest peak right over here with the towers?
Yes.
Okay. If you look to your left,
Okay.
you'll be able to see looks something like an elephant or a mammoth traveling up the peak. Let me get a little bit higher.
See.
See it?
Traveling to the right.
Uh-huh. Gentlemen, see it? Yeah.
What do you think, Jack? Are we getting pretty high?
It is
See over there, Jack.
right over here on the